undone me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me with divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you? But do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. So they wobble, boom, boom, boom. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more.
Look at us turn away from all the rough spots. Look at dictatorship on my own block. There is no gift for us in what we're doing here that doesn't show up as bigger symptoms out there. So I spend our time dressing up bandages when we've the ultimate key to the cause right here on underneath. How I've spun my wheels with carts before my horse. When shine on the outside springs from the room, spotlight on these seeds of simpler reasons. This core born into form starts in my living room.
27th Street, 1900. being sent back.